Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with A Perfect Place to Start, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 Farmhouse Americana DIYs that I think that you're going to love. So let's jump in and get started. For this project, we're going to be using an Easter sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just covered the side that had the wording on it with some of the craft paper that I also got at the Dollar Tree. I just like to do that. It takes up less time than painting. And then I'm going to take my white Waverly chalk paint and I'm going to cover all of the other side that we're going to be using, and I just used one coat. And then I'm using my antique Waverly Wax, and I'm just going to go over the entire sign with my chippy brush to give it the antique look. Once I have it all covered, I'm going to take these Burlap Stars that I picked up at a garage sale. I think they were labeled as Christmas decorations, but I'm just going to lay 3 of them out on the sign. They do have some little like hangy tag things on them, like they're a Christmas tree ornament, but I'm just going to cut those off, and then I'm going to use some hot glue and I'm going to glue them onto our sign. Next, I'm going to take some ribbon. Some of it's from the Dollar Tree, some of it's from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to be kind of giving like an interpretation of the flag down below with these ribbons. So the blue, red, and white is going to represent the blue part of the flag, and then I'm going to interchange the white and red to represent the stripes. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay them out here in the back, and then once I have them in the places that I want them to be in, I'm going to glue them down. I'll go ahead and put all the supplies I'm using for the projects today down in my description box, and if I can find something that is similar on Amazon, I will go ahead and link that there so you can check it out if you are interested. Now I'm ready to add the hanger. I'm just using some jute twine from the Dollar Tree and some hot glue, and I just go ahead and glue it in a V shape, and then once I have it kind of in the corners where I want it to go and I feel like it's even, then I go back with some more hot glue and glue over the whole length of that, and then I just add some masking tape to give it an extra hold, and then this project is complete.
With your Queen of Hearts, when everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass, but you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game.
So today's video is part of the DIY challenge by Heidi Sonboul. If you haven't checked out her channel, she is an amazing person and crafter. She does all kinds of farmhouse and Dollar Tree DIYs, and she just has some awesome things on her channel. So don't forget to go down into the description box after you're done with this video so you can check out all the other participants in today's DIY challenge by clicking on the playlist, and then I will also have the playlist listed in my comment section. For this project, I'm going to take a Dollar Tree sign that was an Easter sign from this year, and I just removed the galvanized bunny And then I went outside and spray painted it with my Rust-O-luem spray paint and satin. I did go ahead and do both sides just to have a finished back. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my antique Waverly Wax and I'm going to go over the entire front with my chippy brush to give it the antique look. So I'm using an old pocket from an old pair of shorts that belonged to my husband, and I just cut it out and I'm using the pocket part and I glued it onto the side, and then I'm using some red buffalo check ribbon from the Dollar Tree and some white ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gluing it on with some hot glue to represent the stripes of the flag. I'm going to take some of the same ribbons that we're using in the project today and I'm going to make a messy bow. So I'm using the red and white buffalo check, and then I'm going to add some blue and white buffalo check, and then I'm going to use some twine, tie it off in the middle, and then I like to finish these bows off with a piece of ribbon down the middle. I think it gives it a much more high-end look, but that's totally up to you if you'd rather leave the burlap there. I'm going to go ahead and glue it at the top, and then I do go ahead and dovetail off camera all of the ribbons in this bow. I decide that the blue pocket needs some dimension, so I take some of the blue and white buffalo check and I'm just going to glue it all around the outside of the pocket. I'm sorry for the slightly weird angles in this video today. I moved my tripod without realizing it, and then once I went to edit the video I realized that some of the project is in like weird parts of the frame. So I think I have that fixed for next time though. If you're going to recreate this, you could totally stop here. I think it looks super cute. I just decided to add one more piece of ribbon to give it a more finished look on the end. I don't know. You let me know down in the comments. Do you think it needed the piece of ribbon on the end, or should I have left it just like this? I think it looks cute either way, so I am okay with having the ribbon there, but you guys let me know. Do you think that it was needed or necessary? Once this part's glued on there, then this project is complete.
You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start. I love to do seasonal decor, Dollar Tree DIYs, home decor, and thrift to treasure, so if that is something you're into, I would love it if you went down, hit the subscribe button, and became a part of my YouTube family. So for this project, I'm using a dowel that I got at Hobby Lobby and just some various ribbons from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, and I just tied some twine from the Dollar Tree on both ends to give it the hanger, and now I'm just looping around this blue ribbon to start the blue part of the flag. I don't show you myself gluing all the ribbons on here, I just kind of show you this blue part, but I am going to go back and forth between red and white at the end using the same technique. So I just glue and then wrap around so that the whole dowel is covered, and then it's still giving it the flowy look on the bottom. Once I get all of the ribbons glued onto this dowel, then this project is complete.
queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds. Your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft.
Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite and if you plan to recreate any of these. Also, don't forget this is part of a challenge, so there is a playlist listed in my comments and in my description box. Don't forget to go down and hit that playlist so you can check out all of the awesome things that people have created today for summer. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.
You're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my